Elmo thinks that Cookie Festival is going so well.
Elmo, what do you think you're doing?
We're having a Cookie Festival, Grover.
You do realize we don't do those anymore, right?
What could possibly go wrong by having a
Cookies! Nom 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 nom.
What makes you think you're having any of my cookies? Hey!
Nom 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 nom.
Cookie Monster, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh, Snuffy, what are we gonna do to stop Cookie Monster?
Don't worry, Bird. I got an idea. Cookies! Nom 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 nom.
Hey, look, Cookie Monster's knocked out. Let's get him!
Well, it's a good thing we managed to catch him. Otherwise, things could be worse.
Hey, am I late for the Cookie Festival? 'Cause I brought these cookies.
Cookies?
Shut the f*** up, you!
Oh.